100 years of filmmaking history. Carl Lemley founded our studio in 1912 back in the East Coast, then moved it here March 15, 1915 in California. We're making our way down to the first section of the studio known as the TV show Bel-Air. Our modern take on the sitcom from the 90s, The Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. Used for the TV show A Man on the Inside, starring Ted Danson. Bunch of trucks and trailers. The truck closest to us is the costume truck for Loot. And then we have the hair and makeup truck, and then all the trailers were closer to where we're filming. So all of these have been turned into production. The Substance with Demi Moore, and Mark Platt Productions is one of the big companies here. They've made movies like Legally Blonde, La La Land. Latest films, the movie Us with Lupita Nyong'o, and the movie Nope with Daniel Kaluuya and Keke Palmer. 30 and 31 have been home to The Voice since they were built.
Hey, what's up, Studio Tour? It's Jessica Ringing.
And I am John Legend from The Voice. Now we shoot
The art sound stages allow us to bring
The Mummy and countless other classics since the 1920s. Background actor. If you it's one of my favorite ones already on Netflix. Movies, and I want to show you we used to get into those sets. They were also turned into the storybook setting to the movie musical Cinderella. The only way we're going to safely get out of here is about belonging. Inside as we approach Amity, the shark's been captured. That effect is created using highly complicated technological systems called sprinklers. They're located on top of the trams and on top of the... That's actually how we make rain for film and TV. Very simple. We can place the sprinklers strategically so that the camera... That effect is created using thousands of gallons of recycled water and air cannons, and you can see it in the movie Big Fat Liar with Frank Muniz, Amanda Bynes, and Paul Giamatti here on your screens. Stewart, Clint Eastwood, Robert Redford, and all the cowboys on your screens.
the Atlantic Ocean in 1974.
And that's right, that original mechanical shark they used in the movie gave the movie so many issues that they resorted to mainly, instead of showing the shark, they would shoot. Terrifying. A lot of people are still scared of sharks just because of Jaws. Sharks are in that here on the left. At some point were real houses where people lived. To Kill a Mockingbird and TV shows like Superstore, Parenthood, 911 with Angela Bassett, and Never Have I Ever. Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets. Here near the end, Bumblebee and Barricade from Transformers. And on the right, the car Brendan Fraser drives in the Mummy Motel. He looks a little flustered or concerned, maybe helping a guy. I don't think he saw us come in, so we're just gonna try to quietly sneak out of here before he can see. Oh, he saw us. Oh, he super saw us. Luckily, the tram's way faster than that psycho, so we're safe. And that was brought here and destroyed for just one scene in the movie. Of New Jersey, right after the extraterrestrial invasion begins.
It's just something you don't see.
We're doing good. We're doing good. There's Neil Angie Tribeca with Rashida Jones. And recently, Ariana Grande's Brighter Days Ahead also filmed portions of that short film here. But now we're taking you away from the set of a giant extraterrestrial invasion movie directed by an Academy Award winner. And we're going to take you to the set of a...
It is smack dab in the center of a beautiful hotspot. Welcome to the world of no.
City for the movie Sully, directed by Clint Eastwood, starring Tom Hanks, and based on real events.
Evacuate.
For these scenes here, we filmed...